Found a really cool plant here. This is some wild mint. It's in the genus Mentha, but it'll be difficult to distinguish to species level without some flowers. You can identify it being in the mint family by its stems being square. If you can't see them, you can definitely feel them, especially the thicker, bigger stems down there. And I know it's in the genus Mentha because of the smell. If you pull one off and crush it up, you smell it. It's delicious. But various species of mint were used by African American Indian tribes for uses you'd probably guess. So they were made into a pleasant tea, very delicious. They would also be used to pack meat, like dried meat. We'd layer it in between and pack it, and to spice foods. So it's really great for stomach ache, for nausea, flatulence, so headache, coughs, cold, fever. And another interesting use would be to boil animal traps with this in order to remove human smell from them.